Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see what is forensic evidence in insider risk management for Microsoft Purview. I will just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Okay, I'm logged on to the portal, and which is purview.microsoft.com. You need to go to insider risk management solution or any other solution that you're working with. If you get this error message, click on OK or cancel this. I'm getting this because I'm logged on to my lab tenant and I don't have a specific license or permissions to have this feature enabled. So as you can see, we have forensic evidence option on the left pan. You click on it. So, well, forensic evidence is an opt-in add-on feature in Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management that gives security teams visual insights into the potential insider data security incidents with user privacy built in. So forensic evidence includes customizable event triggers and built-in user privacy protection, and enabling security teams to better investigate, understand, and respond to potential insider data risk like unauthorized data exfiltration of sensitive data. How does that work? Because Microsoft Purview Insider Risk Management correlates various signals to identify potential malicious or inadvertent insider risk, such as IP theft, data leakage, and security violations. So through this, we can create policies to manage security and compliance. Now, it gives you a visual context during forensic investigations to get better insights into potentially risky security related user activities, right? It will give you a visual capturing. It will include or exclude desktop applications or websites to configure a recording policy that focuses on the applications and websites that would present the most risk. It will provide enhanced phishing protection. It will protect the user privacy. It will be used for customizable triggers and capturing options. So when you will click on forensic evidence settings under forensic evidence, it says forensic evidence is an investigative tool for reviewing captured user activity to help determine whether the user's action poses a risk. When turned on, you can configure settings that apply to all users whose forensic evidence requests have been approved. So I will turn this on, and it will help my team to set forensic evidence features to start capturing and investigating activity from user devices. It says capturing window. Decide when to start and stop capturing activity. 30 seconds before the activity is detected by a forensic evidence policy. 30 seconds after the activity ends. Upload bandwidth. Offline capturing cache limit. Allow deletion of forensic user data by an administrator or investigator. It depends how I need to manage it. For now, I'll turn it off. Device resource utilization limits applies to all devices. So it will not use this not more than this percentage of the machine CPU. I can keep it to default for now. I'll click on save. Make sure that you meet all the device and configuration requirements, because the supported platforms are Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit and then Windows 11 Enterprise 64-bit. And there are some limitations on the physical hardware as physical devices as well, listing the hardware requirements for RAM, CPU, graphics card, disk space, and the display. And the Microsoft documentation also lists about the Hyper-V and virtual machines, that how much RAM should they have, like minimum of 16 gigs, at least 2 GB should be available for client usage. CPU processor, 8V CPU processor or equivalent. Disk space, minimum 10 GB of disk storage is required. Minimum screen resolution of 1920 into 1080. Now we have capturing options as well. So some of the triggering events, some of the global indicators and policy indicators play an important role in all insider risk management policies, including forensic evaluation policies. All right, so triggering events are user actions that determine if users are brought into scope for evaluation in insider risk management policies. And then global settings indicators are used to determine what activities are collected by insider risk management. And then policy indicators are used to determine a risk score for that in-scope user. Now, it will totally depend upon the organization how they want to decide to configure forensic evidence. If they want to configure specific activities or if they want to capture all the activities of the user. So please make sure that you are aligned with the overall workflow for the detection, investigation, and remediation that contain the capturing workflow, right? Capturing follows, because the user subject to capturing must have explicit capturing request and approvals. Devices must be onboarded and have the Microsoft Purview client installed, because before forensic evidence can collect and store clips captured for eligible users, their devices must be onboarded to the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. All right, so this was the brief introduction of forensic evidence for insider risk management in Microsoft Purview. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.